Hey, Billy, what are you up to?
Hmm.
Removing bricks? It's almost Christmas, and lots of Car City residents need their chimneys fixed ready for Santa.
Oh.
That's nice of you, Billy.
Hmm.
Watch out! Oh no, Billy. Are you okay? Let's go visit Amber and see if she can make you feel better.
Hmm.
Hey, Amber and baby Amber. Billy the bulldozer has hit his head. He doesn't feel too well, and his head is sore. Can you help? You can? That's great. Hey, Billy, follow Amber to the examination room and she can fix you right up. What are you going to do first, Amber? Take a closer look at Billy's head. Yeah, it's a pretty good bump. Don't worry, Billy. Amber will handle this. What are you going to use to help his head? What's that? A bandage to wrap around his head? What are you doing, baby Amber? You're decorating the hospital ready for Christmas? Amber doesn't think that's a good idea. She says you should wait until she's finished treating Billy. Oh, no! It looks like you have two patients now, Amber. Now, let's get back to helping Billy get better. Now it's baby Amber's turn. It's over. Thanks a lot, Amber. Remember, Billy, don't forget your candy. Bye, Billy. Hey, Amber and baby Amber. What are you doing today? You're decorating the hospital for Christmas? That's great. But look, I think you have a visitor. It's Billy. He's brought you both a Christmas present to say thank you for making him feel better. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you next time. It's the day of the annual Car City Air Show, and Hector, Penny, and Baby Penny are putting on a spectacular show. Hey, Rocky, aren't you enjoying the show? You think you could do better? That's not very kind. Oh, you're going to show them what a real air show looks like? But Rocky, there's a roof above you. Ouch! Well, that didn't go too well. Are you okay, Rocky? Excuse me? What did you say? The stars above shine so bright? Oh dear, it doesn't look like we're going to get any sense out of you. Thankfully, Amber the ambulance must have seen what happened. Here she comes with baby Amber. Rocky, Amber has come to help you. You love the moon, and the moon loves you? Rocky, Amber's going to test your eyes. Don't move. That's odd. Your pupils are shaking. Something's wrong. You think Rocky has a concussion? Rocky, don't worry. Amber says she can fix you. Baby Amber, stay where you are. Your mom is going to go and fill this bucket with cold water. What are you up to, Cheeky? Your mom will soon be back, you know. Oh, you're trying to make Rocky speak because you think it's funny? The planets are your friends? Thank goodness you're back, Amber. Rocky keeps saying really weird things. Let's hope you're right, and he's soon talking sense again. Amber, what's the water for? Oh, yeah, you need to wash his injury before putting the bandage on. That was a good idea, Amber. Rocky's bump looks a lot less sore now. You think the bump will heal completely with 3 drops of ointment and a bandage? Okay, here goes. 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops. And now for the bandage. Let's see if you can stand up now, Rocky. Fire up the rocket booster on your back. Great. Well done, Rocky. And well done to you too, Amber. Looks like the air show is still taking place. Impressive, huh? Yep, they're sure a talented bunch. Now you're talking sense, Rocky. You want to stay and watch? Amber says you can join them if you like. Oh, how sweet. Baby Amber wants to give you some candy.
Hmm.
Enjoy the show. See you next time.
Hmm.
Hey, baby Jeremy, you're not playing with your friends. What's wrong?
Mm-mm.
You have a headache?
Mm-hmm.
Why don't we go and see Amber? She can make you feel better.
Hmm.
Hey, Amber. Hey, baby Amber. Baby Jeremy has a headache. Do you think you can help him?
Ooh.
Baby Jeremy, you know why you have a headache?
Hmm. Ooh.
Did you bump your head?
Mm-mm.
You don't know what's wrong with him? How long have you had a headache, Jeremy?
Hmm.
You're right, Amber. A few days is a long time.
Mm-mm. Hmm.
Oh, you're wondering if Jeremy has bad eyesight? Jeremy, can you read what's on the board?
Hmm. Ooh. Hmm.
Jeremy, Amber thinks you might need glasses. Baby Amber, can you get some glasses for Jeremy? How about these, Jeremy? Amber, those aren't real glasses. Those aren't real either. Where are you getting these glasses? That's the Halloween box. Is that better, Jeremy?
Mm-hmm.
Baby Jeremy, can you see the board now?
Mm-hmm.
Jeremy, would you like to see how they look?
Ooh.
Do you like the glasses?
Mm-hmm.
Amber thinks you look very handsome, Jeremy.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Thanks, Amber. Thanks, baby Amber. Hey, babies, what are you looking at? Oh, baby Jeremy. He looks cool, doesn't he? Has your headache gone now, Jeremy?
Mm-hmm.
That's great. See you later. Bye-bye, everyone. Hey, Lily. Enjoying the sunshine? You don't feel too well? You'd better go see Amber at the hospital. Hey, Amber, Lily fell asleep at the beach, and when she woke up, she wasn't feeling too well. You're going to make a diagnosis? That's right, Amber. Lily does look sunburnt. Do you feel sore, Lily? You're tired and dizzy? That could be sunstroke. Is that right, Amber? Baby Amber, can you get some cream for Lily? Feel better, Lily? That's right, Lily. You need some water if you have sunstroke. Baby Amber, can you fetch Lily some water? Wow, Lily, you must have been thirsty. You still feel hot? Amber, is there anything that can cool Lily down? Good idea, Amber. Baby Amber can fetch some cooling spray. You want to spray Lily yourself? Is that okay, Amber? You feel okay now, Lily? Lily, Amber wants to give you some things to protect you from the sun next time you go to the beach. Baby Amber, can you fetch the beach box? Look inside, Lily. The sunblock will stop you from getting sunburn. Baby Amber, the sun hat is for Lily, not for you. But Lily needs it for the beach. It's too big for you anyway. Thank you, Baby Amber. That was the right thing to do. Thanks for all your help, Amber and Baby Amber. Wow, Lily, you look ready for the beach. You're very protected from the sun. The sunshine is gone. Oh well, you're prepared for next time. See you later, Amber. Bye-bye, everyone.